Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Locks in Box puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vesa Timonin and made by S. Lloyd. Difficulty level of the Locks in Box puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 8 parts inside the frame. For now, as you can see, you can easily fit 7 parts inside, but then there is not enough space for the last piece. You can rotate it in many different ways, but still you can't fit it inside. You can try to rearrange the parts inside the frame, but if you don't know the trick how to solve the puzzle, you won't be able to find a space for the last piece. This puzzle was made from wood, and as you can see, there are 8 parts here. There are 4 different sizes of parts. These 2 are long parts, these 2 are a little bit shorter, these 2 are a little bit shorter again, and these 2 are the smallest parts. And all of them has this cut on the top side, and when you put them inside, they kind of fit nicely together, but at the end you will have one piece that you can't fit inside. Even though it looks like it's almost possible to fit it in, but you can't do that, and you have to find quite an interesting and elegant solution of this puzzle. If you like the Locks in Box puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.